This seminar is about health and education. Now, these are in principle two very different sectors, but often in the delegations it's the same person who's dealing with health and education. That's why we are having this seminar together, because also we here in this unit are into one unit of human and social development. But in order to be specific about the particular problems of each sector, we will have about half of the seminar sessions separately by sector. And there we can deep dive into the specific problems of the sector. And for the other sessions, there are also a number of issues that are quite common to the two sectors, which we can then deal jointly. It's a regional seminar for Africa on health and education support for staff from EU delegations in this region. And it is addressed specifically to the task managers of health and education programs, as they need to know about our new Commission communication, which details the policies, and about new guidelines that are underway, and about all the in and outs on how to manage complex sector programs in these two sectors, health and education. It's worthwhile not only for delegation staff to come, but also for geographic coordinators from headquarter units or even from the EAS who are interested in how to best support health and education sectors. And the seminar takes place here in Brussels from Monday 3rd of September and goes through to Friday 7th of September. You still get a bonus, there's one free afternoon, but the rest of it is very strong training with a lot of input from all the participants. We have been working with the participants over the last couple of weeks very intensively, so that we can bring real life stories to the debate and learn not just what the people in Brussels think is important, but learn from our colleagues in delegations. That's the idea, and I hope you will come. There are a number of special speakers on this seminar. We will have, for example, Carol Bellamy, the former head of UNICEF, now head of the Global Program on Education. We will have senior officials from the WHO, with whom we are managing a program for improving sector policy dialogue at country level. We are going to talk with some eminent specialists about health financing, and we will also draw on the competencies of colleagues from headquarters who will give us the latest news on budget support and everything that relates to budget support. So I think it's both, it's interactive with the participants bringing their own material, but also senior external and internal speakers that will take part in that workshop.